Alright, so there it is. Got that out of there. I'm just going to take this off. And that's the whole thing. That's what it looks like when that's off. Oh, and you can't forget this pass-through deal here. It's connected to the boot there. See that? There's another little bar underneath there. That's just a breathing tube from the other side. It goes all the way through both sides from the rack and pinion. Oh no, that's on there. Don't forget that little tiny clamp on there. And yeah, this thing. He'll be using this to put the new one on. As you can see, there's the new inner tie rod. Well, it's so hard to see. That is weird. It's not showing up on the camera. Alright, well, either way, the part number is ES3397. And that's for the inner tie rod. 2004 Dodge Neon SXT. Then the outer tie rod part number is 310-71724. So yeah, that's all there is to it. Now I'm gonna get this taken apart and all that good stuff. Put the other stuff together. We done. Might brush out some of this rust under here. I don't know. I don't really care about all that right now. But that's the whole job. Alright, hopefully it was helpful. Have a good night.